Chauncey Darren, and I'm a raw artist. I've been creating art for about 3 or 4 years now. I really was just in school, just doodling on paperwork. I never took any art classes. And then I started selling stuff with my friends later on the side at little art shows here and there. The name that I have for my label is Atomic Comet, and I got that from my old dog that I used to have. His name was Comet, so that's why, you know, some people are like, why that? It's only because of my dog. And Atomic, I'm just really into atomic age type stuff, sci-fi and everything. When my dog does stuff, I try to paint my dog doing something stupid. I get a lot of my inspiration from the Mexican style, as far as like old luchador wrestling posters and a lot of propaganda posters, and I mix those in with animals. I do a lot of stuff like sea creatures. That's probably because I have like a fear of, you know, like squids and fish, and that stuff really creeps me out, but I like to paint them. I could get into the water, and I love the beach and I love everything about it, but I mean, just those things in the deep creep me out, but I like to paint them. I like to paint them in certain situations, and it's fun for me. Colors, just a lot of colors. I like, if I like certain celebrities, you know, Bill Murray, Bruce Campbell, those guys. You don't see those guys on t-shirts too much, and so I do it. If nobody else likes it, I hang it up on my wall. If everything goes great, I'm happy here and just doing it here in San Antonio and having a lot of local people, local following. I like it when people come back and they're like, hey, I saw you last month at certain art shows, and that means a lot to me. As far as like how far I can go, it's just, I'm not obsessed with being famous. I just like giving people what I create, pretty much. You can find my work. I do the first Friday, which is every Friday of the month, down in the St. Mary's area. That's where I do my stuff. I also have a Facebook page that you can check out, and that's pretty much it. Whenever there's something local going on, I usually try to get in there and just get my foot in the door. I'm Chauncey Darren, and I'm a raw artist.